So you have some video footage and you want to make it look awesome? You've come to the right place. I'm a professional video editor and I can help you with post-production on film, short clips, music videos, promotions, commercials, intros, marketing videos, drone videos, anything you may have. I specialize in custom quotes, so please write me first to be sure you get exactly what you want. My services include advanced visual and sound effects, amazing transitions, gorgeous title effects, remove shaky camera, cutting and adding music for the right timing, audio sync, and just about anything you can think of. I use industry standard software, and please note that video editing is complex. So take a minute to write me with a brief description of what you want so I can be sure I can do exactly what you need. I keep it at the highest quality possible at no extra cost. Express service is available. Revisions are included. Again, please contact me before ordering, and let's get started on your project today.